Would you like to make money this year, 2023? If your answer is yes, then stick with me to the end of this video, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 every single day using Google News. I'm also going to be showing you some practical platforms where you can make this a reality. So if this is what interests you, stick around to the end of this video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenwa Violet. Here I share information on different ways of making money online. For more content like this, please join the family by subscribing to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person YouTube notifies when I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. So without further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to show you how you can start making $100 every day using Google News. So you head over to Google and type Google News, and it will bring you to this interface. All right, Google News has lots of articles, all right, all over the world, and they are all the articles here are new. All right, the articles are also based on niches. So they have health article, science article, sports, entertainment, technology, business, local article, and worldwide articles. All right, so you can find different articles here. So now it depends on the kind of articles you want to write. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be going with health article, all right, to show you guys how you can start making money with Google News. All right, so I'll click on health, and these are articles based on health. All right, so I'm just going to select one article here. So this is an article. I'll copy this article. I'll copy everything and then come over to this website called Spinbolt. Spinbolt will help to paraphrase the article. It will spin the article to make it original, to prevent plagiarism. So what we are going to do is to paste this article here. All right, so this is the article we copied. So we are going to click on basic spin. So the Spinbolt will spin this article to original. So what you have to do, your job is to go through this article, make sure it is the way it should be. All right, everything is intact. So once you're done going through this article, you're going to copy this article and then go to this website I'm going to be sharing with you to start writing articles and start making money. Okay, the first platform where you can paste this article and start making money is ProBlogger. Okay, ProBlogger is the platform that allows writers all over the world. All right, so what you have to do is to click on job. As you can see, these are all the jobs. These are various jobs here on this platform. What you're going to do is to click on this search bar here and type medical to get articles that is related to health. Right, and we're going to click on search. So these are the articles that are related to health. What we're going to do is to select one. So we're going to choose this one. And you have to go through these articles, go through the description. You have to go through the requirements, what they require from you, the benefits, the important notes. Go through all of this. And to start your application, you will have to register first. Okay, once you're done registering, there is a Google form where you find a Google form where you can start your application. Okay, the second platform that will allow you to write is Skyward. So once you're on this platform, you click on Freelance for Us. And you have to click on I want to freelance. Okay, so here you have to tell them your story. Are you a writer, a videographer, photographer, or designer? So since you're writing, you're publishing an article here, so you just click on writer and click on continue. And then you continue your application. The third platform that will allow you to write is Listverse. So once you're on this platform allows you to write different articles. So once you're here, you click on more and click on submit a list. So you fill up your application, click on submit. But bear in mind that this article allows submission from US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. If you are from these countries, you can go ahead and use this Listverse to write or to submit your article. The fourth platform that will allow you to write is Writer Access. So what you have to do on this platform is to scroll down. I'm going to be leaving the link to this website in the description so it will be easier for you to access. So once you scroll down, you click on Freelancer Apply. To apply to this platform, you have to sign in sign in with LinkedIn. Click on this sign in with LinkedIn and your LinkedIn account will be linked to this writer access, okay, to fasten your application. So it's very fast and it is easy to use. So go ahead and check out this website, see if it's something that you can do, and give them a try, and let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, let me know, and do not forget to like and also share this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.